AI data disruption ShipOwner 570. We see how Amazon could be changing 600,000 workers with robots. Perhaps Shreveport, Louisiana, very close where I did study Texarkana. It will be the #1 innovation place where to spread AI and robots to the rest of the Amazon. Now, some very intelligent investors already say this is going to be around 4 billion more income per year. Well, some say 30%, dear shipowner, 30% of your cost if we do it for you. Why? Because we have AI, we have database, all this is today automated. Some call it generative AI, others call it this way, that way. But it's clear that Oracle is growing with data centers, and then OpenAI plus these banks helping finance, because it is a very clear source of revenue. But how about ship owner thinking, what if I have a partner with 160, 170,000 seafarers in the database, which are all managed via these different AI programs to have this productivity? Let's say for you, dear ship owner, let's say that all this Amazon is going to be a 30% cost reduction. Every package we get from Amazon, 30. So if we have this going through human resources, we have a 30% cut. Now, is it cut because you do not find the right candidate, then you have to pay more, 30%? Well, we have many clients that they have this issue and they have not really had the time to calculate. But whether you calculate it or not, let's put this example, benchmark Amazon. They think it's 30%. Is it of the product? Is it of the total working force, 1.5 million to 900,000, and then have robots, Shreveport, Louisiana, or the others are going to catch up? Well, dear shipowner, if you want to catch up, contact Candina. We can manage your whole full crew management and or part crew with this 30%. Yeah, these numbers are later. Today, we are ready to do that for you, dear shipowner, because we are core crew management company, 160,000 growing to 200,000 seafarers, and all of them linked in a way that whether it is because of cost or because logistics or because the time or because the quality, because no one says that. So please contact us. Thank you. Bye.